Lawmakers are faced with making some critical decisions.
Governor Gretchen Whitmer has never been shy about protecting a woman's right to choose. Fox 2's Brandon Hudson joins us with a look at how she and other officials are taking action. Brandon?
Well, Tara and Roop, June 24th, 2022 will be talked about and shared in our history books. Now, since the Supreme Court's decision came down around 10:30 this morning, reactions from various state elected and community leaders have flooded our inboxes. We've also made calls to hear from some of the state's most prominent voices on this monumental day. For anti-abortion advocates, it was a day 50 years in the making. In Washington, D.C., a crowd erupted in celebration seconds after hearing the Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade, which would make abortions illegal.
We are excited. We feel that the majority of the justices voted on the right side of history today.
Anna Visser is with Right to Life Michigan.
Seeing all the work you've done for the past 50 years, all the time and the dedication you've put into it, just seeing it all come to real life and to see it all pay off is a really amazing feeling, but also very overwhelming.
For Planned Parenthood Michigan, there was a different kind of emotion. On a Zoom call after the decision, a couple members fought back tears because they disagree with the historic reversal.
Thank goodness for the team members at Planned Parenthood of Michigan, who, though very sad today, remain undeterred, and we remain focused. We will not be defeated, and will move forward so that people can get the care that they need.
Sadly, it's not surprising. We all saw that draft opinion a couple of months ago, and we knew this day was coming, and yet it's still devastating.
Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer expressing her displeasure with the Supreme Court vote, saying she feels like her and her daughter's reproductive rights have been stripped away. Whitmer is hopeful this moment motivates pro-choice Michiganders to vote in November.
The leadership of today's Republican Party in Michigan thinks it should be a felony without any exceptions for rape or incest. That is how stark this moment is. 70% of the people in our state disagree with that, but this 70% needs to speak, whether it's showing up at rallies today in the coming days, signing petitions, or making sure we get out the vote this fall, because this is a high stakes moment for our state.
Months ago, the governor filed a lawsuit to make sure the state continues to give women autonomy and right to privacy and accessible abortion care. She and Attorney General Dana Nessel have fought to eliminate a 1931 trigger law outlawing abortions. That law is currently unenforceable, but that could change. Michigan's top prosecutor says she will not prosecute anyone, woman or doctor, performing an abortion.
What people need to do is mobilize. If this is an issue that you care deeply about, and most of us do, it's time to get off our couches and to understand that this situation is dire, but it's not hopeless.
So not all prosecutors in Metro Detroit are on the same page about this. This afternoon, Washtenaw County Prosecutor Eli Savitt said his office will not prosecute anyone trying to get an abortion. The Oakland County and Wayne County prosecutors have shared that same sentiment. But leading up to this day, we have heard from Macomb County Prosecutor Pete Lucido, who said he will uphold the decision by the Supreme Court. Live in the SAT Center, I'm Brandon Hudson, Fox 2 News.